This programme looks at something that all managers are going to have to face, and that is they will have members of their team who are not doing what they should be doing. And it's not going to be because of an absence of knowledge or an absence of skill or a problem in the context where they're working. It's typically because of an attitudinal issue, they're not bothered, they don't care. And you are going to have, in those circumstances, a challenging conversation. Now, lots of managers will put that conversation off because they don't know how to do it, or their experience of it themselves has been negative, and so consequently they'll back off from it. And most managers don't like having difficult conversations, unless you come from the Gordon Ramsay School of Management, which not many of us do. This course has got a very wide remit. You can get people who are on the base rung in terms of they're a first line manager. You can also get people who might well be sitting at the board level and they've got to that particular role and function through a technical stream or focus. And they're having to deal with situations and circumstances where you've got poor performance. And frankly, it doesn't matter where you are, at which stage in the business or at what level in the business, those challenges are the same for everybody. The principal takeaways, I think, of this particular course, and the first one is frankly about attitude. The reason we don't have difficult conversations with people is that we're frightened of doing them. And on the programme, they're shown how, they get practice, they're given feedback. And the principal thing that I think they get from this programme is they begin to realise, do you know what, it's not that difficult, I can do this. And so consequently they go back with a slightly different frame and an attitude for doing this. And the second thing that it equips them with is basically, what's the process for doing this difficult conversation? What do I say first, what do I say second, what's the process? How do we deal with somebody who is just being frankly difficult? And it will equip them to do that. Well, I think one of the things, it's quite concentrated. There's no packing or padding in the course. It gets down to what will make the difference, what do you do. It gives people a simple number of steps and stages that they should follow in order to address poor performance. It's not too complex, it's not too difficult. It's just you have to do certain things, and it equips them with those skills and those steps and stages to follow.